Bring her back easy now.
Watch the flow rate, it's heavy.
Looks good down here. Keep it steady.
Automated transfer of wheat flour to silo 4 is now complete. System check initiated. The automated sequence for batch 34 is now commencing. Please ensure all ingredient hoppers are prepared.
The tracking shot follows the purified water as it moves through the advanced filtration units.
The automated system precisely measures the wheat flour, followed by the yeast and sugar. Every ingredient is verified before the mixing process begins.
The powerful kneading action helps the gluten develop, creating this beautiful, elastic dough.
Make sure the humidity levels are stable in the next proofing stage.
I'll check the sensors now.
Watch as the precision blades move rhythmically, dividing the dough into perfectly equal portions at high speed.
Watch as the dough gently spins, becoming perfectly smooth. So satisfying. Here, in the warmth and humidity, our dough begins its quiet transformation. The secret to perfect bread lies in this moment. The slow fermentation creating that beautiful, airy texture. System check complete. Dough entering molding sequence. Speed increased by 10%.
And now we wait as the yeast performs its magic, slowly doubling in size.
The journey begins as the dough enters the fiery heart of the oven, transforming under intense, consistent heat. Inside the glowing chamber, the precise balance of heat and steam transforms simple dough into bakery-quality bread.
Watch closely as the loaves expand, the crust developing its signature golden hue and rich, textured fissures.
Steam is injected at high pressure, allowing the crust to expand fully before setting, resulting in a perfect artisan loaf.
Attention all staff. Please ensure the temperature gauges are monitored closely on line 3.
The high-capacity fans ensure rapid cooling, stabilizing the crust for the next stage.
Cooling cycle engaged. Temperature stabilization in progress.
The macro lens captures the precise moment the golden crust begins to crisp, while the soft interior stabilizes.
As the loaves exit the cooling tunnel, automated sensors check for optimal spacing and temperature.
All personnel report to your stations. The next batch is ready for cooling.
Product specifications met. Scanning sequence initiated for the next unit.
flawless consistency and the delicate, pillowy softness of our freshly baked loaf.
State-of-the-art robotics guarantee freshness and efficiency in every loaf.
Utilizing precision air jets, the new high-speed system ensures maximum efficiency for every loaf packaged.
The sealing bars ensure a perfect airtight closure every time.
Check the batch numbers on line 3. Looks good from here. Keep it moving.
All products meeting weight requirements. Check weigher data confirmed.
Warning, package integrity compromised. Rerouting item to disposal chute. Through precision engineering, we synchronize the flow of freshly baked goods into organized, transport-ready batches.
Attention all floor staff. Please monitor conveyor levels in Section 4. Ensure continuous flow to the distribution center.
Attention production team. Ensure quality control checks are completed on the bread shipment prior to final wrapping.
All systems nominal. Stacking sequence proceeding as scheduled. Make sure the pallets are secure before shipment.
In a facility this vast, precision is everything. Every loaf accounted for, every shipment delivered on time.
As you can see, the digital inventory system updates instantly, ensuring every pallet is assigned to the correct storage location.
Did the bread shipment from shelf 12 clear yet?
Yes, the robot just tagged it for shipping.
Keep it coming, easy now.
Bay 2, get ready for the bread crates. All right, get that secured. We need this shipment out by 0600 hours.
Make sure that one is tight on the left side.
Okay, it's secure. How about the back row?
Almost done here, just one more strap.
Bay 4, you're clear for departure. Confirmed all checks are complete. Proceed to the main road, we'll prep the next load. The shipment manifest is confirmed. Truck 47, you are cleared for departure.
Dedicated to delivering warmth and freshness, our fleet is on the way to a neighborhood near you.
Sunrise over the city, and our fleet is already moving. Temperature controlled, delivering that bakery fresh taste right to your neighborhood.
All right, the lift is down. Let's get this moving.
Ready when you are? Stacking them on the east side.
Make sure these go to aisle 4 immediately. Got it. The packaging on this one is slightly damaged.
I think this sourdough goes right here.
What?
Looks
Good, looks good. We really filled this section up today.
This sourdough looks amazing. Should we get this one?
Yeah, grab it. It smells delicious. Did you find everything all right?
Yes, thank you. This bread is wonderful.
that comes to $12.50, please.
Freshly baked this morning.
That's the best croissant I've ever had.
We simply must get the recipe for this brioche.
As the sun sets, the ovens continue to bake. And so, the journey of the daily bread continues, carried on the golden light to tables across the country.